Hello and welcome to the Skill 38, where we are going to learn some tips to recognize active and passive meanings. The first thing we need to know for recognizing when to use active or passive in a sentence is that when you don't have an object after a verb, you must look at the meaning in the sentence. But what are we trying to say with this? What I mean is that when you understand the meaning of the sentence, then you will be prepared to define if the verb should be active or passive. But what do I mean with this? Let's do an example so we can understand this better. In the first example, we can see the irregular verb fed plus the object, which is the subject, I. So you can see this sentence is correct. The second sentence has the passive verb was fed plus by me, which indicates who does the action. So this sentence is also correct. The tree has the passive verb was fed and it doesn't have an object, but you have the passive verb which makes it correct. Let's see an example of an incorrect sentence. This sentence is wrong because it has an incorrect passive verb which looks like a correct active verb. But even if it seems right, it is not. Like being on the internet all night and regretting it the next day. Another reason why the fourth sentence is incorrect is because it has no by or object who tells you who does the action. To avoid this kind of errors, you must study the meaning of the subject and verb. To do this, you must ask yourself if the subject does the action of the verb. In this case, an active verb is needed, or if the subject receives the action of the verb. In this case, a passive verb is needed. Let's do another example. Which one do you think is the best answer? In this sentence, for example, you should ask yourself if the flower waters itself, or if someone did the action of watering. Since the flower can water itself, the passive is required in this sentence. So the correct answer is the first one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope these tips help you. Bye!